In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in, ensuring you have a seamless and efficient experience with your billing needs. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the home page of QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Invoice. This is where you'll begin the actual process of creating your invoice. Now that you're on the invoice creation page, you can start by inputting the details required for your invoice. This includes important information such as the recipient's details, the items or services provided, and any relevant quantity and pricing information. Take your time to ensure each field is accurately filled out, as this will make your invoicing process smooth and professional. Once your basic invoice details are complete, it's time to move on to customization. Customizing your invoice is a great way to ensure it reflects your brand and meets the specific needs of your business. To do this, locate the Manage button situated at the top right of the invoice page and click on it. This will open up a range of options for personalizing your invoice. Within the customization options, you'll find a variety of choices that let you tailor the invoice to your liking. For instance, you can choose which fields to include or leave out, based on what information you want to display. You can also opt to include specific payment options that suit your business and your customers' preferences. Design elements play a big role in how your invoice looks and feels, so take advantage of the different styles and themes available to create a design that fits your brand's aesthetic. Furthermore, if your business requires it, you have the option to enable scheduling or even set the invoice as recurring, which can be a massive time saver for regular billing cycles. After you've made all your desired changes and are satisfied with the way your invoice looks and functions, it's time for a final review. Click on Review and Send to check over all the details one last time. This is an important step to catch any potential errors or adjustments you might have overlooked. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully created and customized an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Following this process not only helps ensure smooth transactions, but also puts forward a professional image of your business. Thank you for tuning in, and happy invoicing!